The Senate Blue Ribbon Committee's probe into alleged flood control anomalies grew even more heated. A contractor, once tagged as a supposed bag woman, denied delivering kickbacks to lawmakers. Here is a report.
As the Senate continues its probe into alleged anomalies in the flood control projects, the name of a contractor has surfaced, said to be linked to kickbacks for the projects. CCTV footage shows Mina El Amparo Jose, owner of WJ Construction, entering the Senate on August 19. Former DPWH official Bryce Hernandez claimed she delivered money for the proponents of the flood control projects. But Mina clarified she only visited Senator Erwin Tulfo's office to fix a veranda.
Para nagamit po yung opisina ko para dumaan po siya sa broom. You should have told us na may kaibigan ka under investigation. My staff even asked me, Mr. Chair, if you would remember and you lied. Sinabi namin, baka ikaw sabit ka dito sa flood control. Wala po kami, hindi po kami sabit dyan. Ang mga project ko, 30 million. Do you remember that?
I have never engaged in any illegal activity. I have never given nor received any money from any public official or government employee, including this Mr. Bryce Hernandez. Thus, I strongly deny his accusations.
Mina insisted she never delivered money to any senator.
So hindi mo kilala si Senator Jinggoy at hindi ka nagdala ng pera sa kanya?
Hindi po. Kahit po kay Bryce, wala po akong dinalang pera.
Okay. So talagang safe ka na.
Please continue.
Mina further explained her company only handled one 24 million peso flood control project, not a ghost project. The text messages Hernandez earlier presented at a House hearing, she said, were about delivering documents, not money. But Hernandez himself was put on the spot after earlier directly linking Senators Jinggoy Estrada and Joel Villanueva.
Nung nag-testify ka sa House, matibay yung salita mo na si Miss, ano pangalan?
Mina po.
Mina ay magdadala ng pera sa proponent. At ang binanggit mo sa House, si Senator Jinggoy. Sinabi mo na hindi naman pala si Senator Jinggoy.
Specifically, hindi po si Senator Jinggoy.
Okay, kanino kaya yon?
Proponent lang po ang sinabi sa akin ni Boss.
Sino nga? Sino yung proponent?
Wala, naka-blind po ako doon kung sino pong proponent.
That prompted Senator Estrada to lash out.
Tahasan mo sinabi sa House of Representatives at kinundina naman ako ng taong bayan dahil sa isang salita mo na ako raw ay humihingi ng 30%. Did you ever see Alcantara handing money over me? To me? I don't think so. Meron ba? May nakita ka ba? Sagutin mo lang, yes or no, may nakita ka ba?
Wala po.
The Senate also discussed the massive amounts of cash Hernandez earlier showed during the House hearing, totaling 763 million pesos. He said the money was delivered by contractor Sally Santos of Sims Construction.
Dito na tayo, andyan ka na, deny ka pa rin ang deny, 457 billion. Aside from that, ilan pa yung deliveries mo sa kanya?
Noong May 6, 2025.
Magkano po yun?
141 million po, Your Honor.
And then?
May 23, 2025, 65 million po.
And these are all in cash, no?
Yes, Your Honor.
See? Isang team kayo eh. Magpupunta kayo sa casino, sama-sama kayo. Di ba? Alam mo, hindi ka na makakalabas dito.
Before testifying, Hernandez had asked for legislative immunity from the Senate, which was granted on condition he would tell all. But when pressed on the use of a fake casino license, he denied it, angering senators further.
You are really incredible at times. Ano? You have selective memory. Pwede ka naming i-detain dito.
Senator Joel Villanueva also had a chance to confront former DPWH officials who implicated him.
Naglabi si Senator Villanueva for any contractor na in-endorse, pinakitaan ng pabor, or nilabi sa iyo, Mr. Alcantara?
Wala po, Your Honor. Si Senator Joel po ay nag-follow up sa akin na pwedeng malagyan ng building, my school building po ay multipurpose building. There is no such thing as flood control, Your Honor.
Senate President Tito Sotto confirmed Hernandez will also testify before the newly formed Independent Commission on Infrastructure.
You are set to testify to them. So I suggest you collect your thoughts, tell the truth,